Welcome to the Funded Sniper Trader channel. Today we'll be talking about the Apex Investing KISS trading charts. So when you log into your Apex Investing account, it's kind of hidden down to the elite section. That brings you to the training videos of what the chart is, how to use it, and then if you're an indie trader, just go to chart. We'll just do crude oil. Open up KISS setup, and then whatever tick size you want the bricks to be. You don't need tick replay. It's not the sniper chart. I only load one day, and that's how you get it. So what I have added onto my charts is I have the chart trader. So that helps me with my limit orders getting into the trades. So we'll just open up ES. Here we go. So I'm on my Ninja Mobile Trader remote desktop. That's what this is loaded on. If I minimize it, so with the KISS chart, you have the standard diagnostic bars. Then you have the trade indicators, red or green, and then this dashed line, which is the volatile trend line. So for these trades, obviously the red is short, green is long. So we have the three of the indices loaded up. And one of the challenges is finding what tick size you want and how you want to trade it. You want to take a lot of quick short-term trades, longer trend trades. Up in the corner, it's kind of hard to see in the font, large, medium, and small. Those are the diagnostic bars. So right now for ES, we have set on 18, which is slightly above the medium. For YM, we have 40, which is the medium set at 31. So it's a good amount bigger, larger. And then in Q, medium 64, we have it set at 80. And how I kind of came to those settings is the wicks that come back on this. From your setup bar, then your entry bar. If your entry bar, if the wick comes down, I don't want it to take me out too soon. So that's how I adjusted the tick size on the bars. And then how I have the chart trader set up is I have it set up same as my ATM strategy. So for NQ, going for 40 ticks profit, and then twice the size as our stop. And it has a 0 entry offset. So as soon as the diagnostic bar closes, it'll place a limit order right at that price that it closed. And if we move past, you'll just see a limit order sitting here waiting for it to retrace on that. And then how I have it set is that my stop would be 1 tick on the bottom of that setup bar, 1 tick past it. And then all I need is for my entry bar to close in my direction. That gets me that 40 ticks, since these are set at 80 ticks. So I'm getting in right in the middle of the entry bar. Now, in hindsight, it looks like, oh, you can catch this runner nice and easy. I mean, of course, this is 3:37 a.m. Chicago time on the VPS. But if you just look at some of these, you just look where they sent the trade signals, and it looks like, oh, you caught some runners, you would have caught some big moves. However, you have a lot of these other ones that didn't work out that you had to go through. So we're trying to figure out what size tick bars, what should the profit must, what's acceptable, what should it be, and obviously with the stop loss that's twice as long, you're gonna have to win, a lot more trades, closer to 80% of the trades in order for it to be worth it. 2/3 of your trades is pretty much your break even, if that's all you're winning. So, but the reason why you only go for 40 ticks and not 80, 81 ticks is because all you want is for that entry bar to close before it retraces. Let's see if we can find one that kind of did that. So we'll run a market replay on all three of these so we can see. But how their trading is other than a profit target that you're headed, you will also move your stop up with this volatile trend line. And so that way you're just minimizing any potential losses. So that's the setup. You can run multiple ones at one time and take smaller position sizes. That way you can kind of spread out your risk. Some days one or two of them will be doing well. Other days, the other one isn't. So that way you just average out the winners and losers, and hopefully every week you're net profitable. That's the goal. So all of these are set for how many contracts that is trying to get the same amount of risk. So if we're doing one contract, 40 ticks, it's $200. $200 profit, a little over 400, and the stop. That same thing for YM. This one is a little heavy. If we were doing 16 tick on ES, we could match it up identical. But we're a little heavy because we're going for 9 ticks instead of 8 on the profit target, and then the loss, instead of being at 17, it's at 19. All right, so future video we'll do market replay. We'll see how this works. I'll probably just do daily replays since we're doing 3 of them at one time instead of like the RTY sniper challenge. We're just doing a full week in one shot.